Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided half up half down hairstyle. To start, I'm going to apply some heat protectant all over the hair. Then I'm going to divide it into sections and twist wrap it around a curling tong, holding it for a few seconds and then pulling it as it comes off the tong to loosen that curl. Make sure you alternate the direction in which you curl the hair for a more lived-in look. Once you've curled everything, each time before you start a new section, just add a little bit of texture spray to those curls. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. So once you've got all your hair curled, it should look something like this. Next, we're just going to divide a section of hair on the right and left side about the end of the eyebrow height, and then secure these both with a clear elastic band, making two ponytails. Apply some more texture spray to that crown area and then really pinch and pull for a little bit more messy volume. Now on both of these ponytails we're going to do a fishtail braid, so split that section in half, take a small section of hair from the left hand strand, pass it over the top and join it to the right hand strand. Then take a small section from the right hand strand, pass it over and join it to the left hand strand. So I'll show you one more time. Take a small slice from the left hand strand, pass it over to join the right hand strand, and then take a small section from the right, pass it over and join it to the left. And we're basically going to do this all the way down to the end of the hair and secure it off with a clear elastic band. Repeat this on both sides. Add some texture spray to that fishtail braid and then use your fingers to pinch and pull the very edges of that braid just to give it more volume. And repeat the same steps on both sides. Now taking that left fishtail braid, I'm just going to flip it over and then I'm going to tuck the ends underneath that right hand one, and then I'm just going to use a few bobby pins just to anchor it to the head. If your ends are long like mine, I'm just going to tuck them under the braid and pin them to the head. Now take that right hand braid and again anchor it along the right and left hand side at the bottom, and then bring the tail end up and behind that top braid, pinning in place to keep it secure. And then I just join the braids together by pushing pins throughout that bottom braid. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.